What's up, YouTube? Want to give you guys a quick update. Going on about 2 months almost with this cloud light. Let's use my Govee app. Can we zoom in there? Go ahead and turn that on. So the Govee app just turned that on. Let's go ahead and go into the hue lighting. Turn that on. Okay, let's get it to my preset here. Boom, turn that on. Now I got one more light that I have in mind, and that would be my Christmas lights. Now I leave my Christmas lights unplugged because obviously they're on when they're plugged in, so I don't keep them plugged in. There we go. There's a full effect. Now it's obviously in the middle of the daytime right now, but it still looks pretty cool in here. Let's close this door. Whew. Every time I walk in here, I love them. So guys, it's been about going on almost 2 months now, and they're looking good. You know, if I go into here and click into here, the Govee app is connecting. So I can change this to the music setting. So that now, and actually, I'll turn the sensitivity down a little bit. There we go. So now whenever I talk, you kind of get that lightning effect there. So that is so sweet. Let's go. Anyway, I'm gonna turn back on to just solid colors. You know, if you didn't see my first video about how to do this, you know, is linked below on how to do the TikTok cloud trend. I got some clouds that are hanging down lower than others. Again, my biggest tip I would tell anyone if you're going to do this is to make your cloud smaller. You see, this cloud is barely hanging on because I made my clouds too gigantic. But make your cloud smaller and use the hot glue gun. Other than that, you're good to go. The lights I use are linked below. The lights in the middle are the hue lights. I got the Govee lights. And again, this is like going on a month here. I'm going on 2 months here. Doesn't look dirty. It's holding up pretty good to me. There's no spiders. I haven't had any fires in my house. So there you go. Check it out. All right. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.